fidgets for when you're on a long road trip. I do really recommend a flippy octopus poppet, or any poppet in general, but there's just something about the flippy octopus that I love. I also recommend the wacky track because you can make anything that your imagination desires. Tangles are also really perfect because you can just play and tangle it and then try and untangle. You can also create some shapes with it too. Infinity cubes are also great because the way you can fling them, like to different sides, it's just amazing. I got these two colors specifically because they just remind me of cotton candy when you put them together. And I also recommend some simple dimples because, I don't know, simple dimples are just portable and you can pop them just like a poppet. And their dimples are just the perfect size for a camera. Cubes, you can do anything you like and quiet buttons, and it's just a fun feature. As I said, I recommend really any poppet. It's the best. So just bring it along. I got this big one so I can just put it here and pretend I'm on my computer because there's no internet in the car. Yeah. And I thought this would be really fun for the color changing poppet because it's going to be really, really sunny out if it's like a very sunny road trip, and in the car it's just the perfect place to match your poppet up to the sun. Who knows, it might actually color change. Wait, I think it is color changing. That sit for a little. Also recommend a classic dimple. I got the glittery kinds because I think it's just going to be so nice to see how the glitter glimpses in the sun. And then I also got a donut poppet because this is one of my favorite poppets. There's more. Stress balls are the best to get you relief from any stress while you're looking at a very nice view. Right now I'm in a 2.5-hour drive to the mountains where you can also swim and do other stuff. I also recommend any type of monkey noodle. I got two, a textured one and a mini one. I recommend a mini poppet, an acupressure ring, and I'm pretty sure that's all. So thanks for watching and